Hello, Namaste, and welcome to Divine Path Tarot. Today I am going to do a general love reading for the sign Virgo. Virgo people, please keep in mind that these are general readings, so it may or may not resonate with each one of you. So please take what resonates with you and ignore the rest. Virgo people, in this reading I am going to see your partner's energies towards you, your energies towards them, your mutual energy and the future potential of this relationship. So let's start the reading for Virgo. So we have Queen of Swords, Two of Pentacles, Page of Cups, okay, Seven of Pentacles, Nine of Cups and Two of Wands, okay, the Hanged Man and King of Cups. Okay. So Virgo people, these are your partner's energies towards you. These are your energies towards them. This is your mutual energy and this is going to be the future potential of this relationship. Okay, so yes. So Virgo people, I feel that some of you could be dealing with Pisces with this Hanged Man. Okay, we have water sign in this reading, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, with this Page of Cups, King of Cups, Nine of Cups. Okay, we have air sign in this reading, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, with this Queen of Swords. Okay, we have earth sign in this reading, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, with this Two of Pentacles, Seven of Pentacles, and we have fire sign as well in this reading, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, with this Two of Wands. So let's start the reading for Virgo. Let's see what your partner's energies, or what are your partner's energies towards you. Okay, so Virgo people, your partner feels that you are someone who is a juggler. Okay, you are doing so many things at the same time. Maybe you are just being making balance between your personal and professional life. Okay, plus they also feel about you, Virgo, that you are someone who knows how to make balance into between their finances, their career, and plus their dreams. Okay, and for some of you, your partner feels, Virgo, that you are into somebody, you are into relationship with someone else also. So that's why you are being very juggling. Okay, you are juggling a lot as per them. Okay, you are confused, you are juggling a lot. Maybe you are working really hard towards your own career or finances, and in that process you are just bringing balance between your personal and professional life. And for some of you, your partner feels that you are into someone else. Okay, you are talking to some other person in terms of relationship and emotions. Plus they also feel that with this Queen of Swords, they feel, your person, you feels that when the time will be right, you are definitely going to value their love. Okay, you are definitely going to take certain action towards them. And with this Page of Cups, Virgo, they feel that someday in future you are going to propose them, you are going to offer them something in this relationship. Okay, with this Queen of Swords, I am also getting this feeling that your person feels that maybe they are genuinely working hard towards their finances, towards their career. Okay, maybe they have shifted, maybe they have changed their job, or maybe they have shifted to some new place. Okay, so that's why they are juggling a lot, but they have clear vision in their mind. Okay, that's how they feel about you, Virgo, that you have the clear vision that with whom you would like to be in relationship, and they feel that you are going to choose them. And they also feel that in future, or maybe in some time, you are going to offer them this Page of Cups. Okay, so with this Queen of Swords energy, they feel that you are not going to entertain any other person in terms of love and relationship. You are very much stable in mind. You know what you want in life in terms of relationship. Okay, so those were your partner's energies, Virgo. Now let's see what are your energies towards them. So we have Seven of Pentacles, Nine of Cups, and Two of Wands. So you feel, Virgo, about your person with the Seven of Pentacles and Nine of Cups, that they are someone who has everything in life, okay? Be it emotions, be it financial things, be it material things, be it money, okay? I mean, even though they have all the things, but still they want you. They still want you, okay? And you feel that your person is seeing you from a far distance, okay? It's them who is seeing you from a distance. Maybe you guys into some long distance relationship or something like that, or maybe they are seeing you from a distance, that you are juggling a lot. You are juggling a lot, and plus I feel that your person is waiting for you to offer this Page of Cups, okay? So you feel, Virgo, that your person has everything in life in terms of emotions, in terms of finances, okay? They are just seeing their money, okay, growing. Or I feel it is that it is their good karmas, okay, which gives them the feeling of happiness, which gives them the feeling of fulfillness, okay? And plus, Virgo, you feel that your person has so many options in their life, but still they want something. And I know that what they want you, and you also know that they want you to offer this Page of Cups to them, okay? They are seeing you from a distance, that you are juggling a lot right now, and plus you are willing to offer them this Page of Cups, but still some obstacles are there with you, okay? So yeah, you feel that they are waiting for you, and they genuinely are waiting for you, okay? Maybe they themselves wants to travel to meet you, they themselves wants to communicate with you about this relationship, but still they are holding back their emotions, and they are just seeing you from a distance, okay? So the mutual energy of this reading is the Hanged Man. So both of you are holding back your emotions, not because you don't have any emotions for each other. It is just that the time is not correct for you as of now, because your person is juggling a lot and you do not want to disturb them, okay? You are giving them enough time, okay? Okay, so basically this relationship is on hold as of now, okay? Your person feels that you are juggling, okay? Plus you feel that they are waiting for you to communicate, so both of you are right on your way, okay? But there is no way to make any communication or make any connection right now. So this relationship is on hold, but the future is bright for you with this King of Cups, because as I said that there is mutual connection, okay? Your person is seeing you from a distance, that you are juggling, and you are willing to offer them this Page of Cups. So they are just waiting for you to be out from this Two of Pentacles energy. So once you will be out from this energy, they are definitely going to meet you, they are definitely going to communicate with you. Maybe it's you who is going to offer them this Page of Cups, okay? So somebody is offering this King of Cups to the other person. I'm sorry about that, it's King of Cups, okay? Yeah, so that was the reading for Virgo viewers. If any of the part of this reading is resonating with you, Virgo viewers, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye bye.